Welcome to the installation video of the CURT 13382 Class 3 trailer hitch on a 2018 Subaru Crosstrek. To begin, remove the two rubber plugs from each frame rail. Then, enlarge the forward-most access holes on each frame rail to allow the included carriage bolt and square hole spacer to pass through. Finish any raw metal with a paint pen or rust inhibitor. Next, fish wire the hardware into the rearmost attachment point. To do this, insert the coiled end of a fish wire into the attachment point in the frame and out the enlarged access hole. Place a square hole spacer over this end and insert it into the frame of the vehicle. Thread a carriage bolt onto the coiled end and place it into the frame as well. Pull on the opposite end of the fish wire, bringing the carriage bolt through the spacer and out through the attachment point. Leave the fish wire attached to the bolt to prevent the hardware from being lost in the frame. Then, reverse fish wire the hardware into the enlarged access hole. To reverse fish wire, thread a carriage bolt onto the coiled end of a fish wire and insert it into the frame. Place a square hole spacer onto the other end of the fish wire and insert it into the frame as well. Pull on the other end of the fish wire, bringing the carriage bolt through the spacer and out through the frame. Leave the fish wire attached to the bolt to make sure that none of the hardware is lost in the frame. Repeat the fish wiring process on the other side of the vehicle. Raise the hitch into position. Feed the rearmost fish wires through the mounting holes while raising the hitch. Use the round hole spacers to level the hitch as necessary by sliding over the end of the fish wire attached to the foremost attachment point between the hitch and the frame. Feed this fish wire through the attachment hole in the hitch as it is raised up to the vehicle's frame. Remove the fish wires from the hardware and secure with the provided hex flange nuts on either side. Torque all hardware to the exact value specified in the supplied instruction sheet. This completes the installation of the CURT 13382 Class 3 trailer hitch on a 2018 Subaru Crosstrek. Check out all the CURT ball mount options and install the vehicle-specific trailer wiring harness for your ride. Thanks for watching this video. Now you can bring it!